What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. We will be talking about how you can earn passive income monthly up to $100 in the crypto space without an investment. Guys, all you need in this procedure, in this passive income opportunity, is just Google and Facebook. So once you have these two things installed in your phone or you have them in your laptop, and you have a set of people who you know in your network, you have a WhatsApp status, or you have a Facebook account, you belong to Facebook groups, or which you can also join after watching this video, you are good to go. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to be walking you step by step on how you can get started with this. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and also share this video. Give us a thumbs up and drop your comments and tell me what you think about these kinds of videos. So let's head over to the video. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go to Google and type this word right here: crypto headshots. Crypto headshots. Now once you type crypto headshots, you search for it on Google, then the first page that is going to come up over here, which is this Crypto Headshot 2.0 by Online Money Mines. You open this website right here. Okay, now you don't need to bother yourself about these details for now. All you need to do is for you to click on this Online Money Mines icon right here, which is going to open you up to this page. Then simply go to this, use this icon here, this Facebook icon. Then if you click this Facebook icon, it's going to open up our Facebook page, Online Money Mines Facebook page. And what you need to do right here is that you need to drop a comment, okay, below the featured post, or you can simply use any of these means to reach out to Online Money Mines or reach out to me and simply drop a comment that said, just type something like I want to be an affiliate of CHS. This is all you need to type. So once you type this, you can drop this in any of the comments. You can drop it as a comment in any of our posts, or you can simply join our WhatsApp group and drop the same thing: I want to be an affiliate. Or you can reach out to me on other social handles like on TikTok, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. So, and just drop this in any of our comments. Now once you have dropped this, what you are going to do is that you are going to be requested to drop your mail. Okay, you're going to be requested to drop your mail, and this mail is going to be used to activate an affiliate system for you for this course right here. Now this course is a course that has been making a lot of people gain a lot of knowledge about the crypto space and also help them to become profitable crypto traders and also investors. Now if you open this course, you're going to see something. This right here is the details. This is the 2.0, which is the updated version of the previous one. Now if you look at this more details right here, you see that these are actually testimonies of people who have been using this course, those who bought this course. Now if you scroll down to the reviews, you will see right here, okay, 4.8 star, which simply means that it's been very okay. So the quality of this is actually very proven. So all you need to do is just for you to become an affiliate. Then once you drop your mail, you are going to be given an affiliate account, which you are going to put in your details, and you are going to if you want to be paid in your local accounts or local bank accounts, or you want to be paid in PayPal or whatever country you are watching this from, or that you want to, anybody from any part of the world can become an affiliate, and anybody can also buy through you. So what you need to do is that once you get this mail and you activate your account, the second thing you want to do is that you are going to be given a special link which you can use to, you can drop it on social media platforms, you can drop it on your WhatsApp status, you can drop it, share it with your friends or those whom you know that want to know crypto very well and those who want to understand how to trade crypto in a profitable way. Now, if you be watching some of my videos, you will see that most of our predictions, they've all been working exactly, the market has been working exactly as predicted. So the same tools we use, the same way I trade is the same thing I shared in this course. So once you do that, and they get to, let's say for example, someone buys this course through your link, okay, let's say for 74,000 naira, you did get 20%, okay, you get 20%, yes, 20% of that amount straight to your bank account. Everything is automated, you don't need to do any other thing, and that is how it works. So imagine you selling this course, let's say 4 of this in a month. That's actually good amounts of free money. All right, so guys, this is what you can do on passively to also create passive income for yourself, and you can use the money and buy more coins or invest more in crypto or even trade crypto on your own. So this is a very simple way on how you can make money in crypto without an investment. All right, guys, so if you love this video, if you love what we do right here, guys, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we share a lot of crypto updates. All right, God bless.